Namaskar. The topic is Moodle course backup and restore. In this presentation, we are going to see how to transfer the course content from one website to another website. If you want to add your course to another website, then go to the original website, take the backup of your course, that means download the backup file. Then next step is to go to the new website, create a new course there with the same name or different name. And then within that course, you can restore the course content from the previous website. Now we are going to see how to take up the backup of your course. Go to current website, go to your course and then turn editing on. Here turn editing on is there. Now here the current course is Advanced Lab Practice 2. You can see here. So go to that course. Next go to course administration. You can see here you can do the course administration of your course. Go here and then scroll it down and you can see backup is here. Click on the backup. Now backup settings. As we are creating a course for the new batch of students, so we are not interested in the information of previous batch students. So you can see here we have rejected the user information and enrolled users, this and this one. So in backup settings we have to select the question bank, from the previous course. That means whatever quizzes we have created already, that should be retained in the new course. Now backup has been started and you can see here 50.61% of backup has been completed. Now you can see here the backup file was successfully created. Now scroll down the window and you can see the download option there. You can download the backup file and it will be automatically saved in the download folder of your PC. Here this downloading of backup file started. This is the home page of our departmental website. On the home page of website, go to site administration. You can see here this is site administration. Within site administration, go to courses. Next, this window will appear. You have to go to manage courses and categories. Here, for example, I want to create this course for the ETC fourth semester for the current batch. Then I am going to click here. Here, click on create new course. You can see here create new course. Here you have to write down the course information. Course full name you can write down here. I have written Advanced Lab Practice 2 1920. Also you can give the course short name. It is compulsory. Star is here. So I have written ALP 2. Then click on save and display here. Your new course will be ready now. It will be created. Now you can see the new course created by you on the home page of your website. Here you can see Advanced Lab Practice 2 1920. This course has been created in my website. In the new course, go to course administration and then click on restore button. Now this window will appear. You have to click on choose a file. You have to choose a backup file already saved in the download folder of your PC. So here you can see choose a file, click on it. Next this window will appear, upload a backup file. One can see here after uploading the backup file, instantly your all course contents will be restored. You can see here all the contents are restored in the new window. Advanced Lab Practice 2. This is our previous course. All the contents are restored here. Thank you and happy learning.